Good morning. My name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola. This morning we're going to take you on a brief walkthrough of the 2020 Grady-White 275 Freedom. First off, you'll notice at the transom, we have this boat powered with twin 200 Yamahas. These are the digital controlled engines. As you come around to the starboard side entryway, you'll notice a ski pylon that does recess down. Coming through that nice transom walk-through door, you'll notice the flip-down seat that does tuck away if you'd like to fish the boat. Over here to the port side, you'll notice our electric seat that does retract out, meeting that flip-down seat, making a great L-shaped lounger seat. Over here you have your wet bar area. Great access if you have friends on the boat for the day and you're trying to entertain. Moving forward, this is the Command Elite chair from Grady-White with a bolster seat. Your digital Yamaha controls, Yamaha gauges. Over here you have your companion seat. Seats two people comfortably. Moving forward to the bow. Great bow seating on this particular boat. And last but not least, your windlass. Recessed through the hull. We look forward to seeing you out on the water. My name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola. We're always open online at MarineMax.com.